We are in 2015 C7 Z06, roughly 14,000 miles on it. Super clean car. This is our 850 horsepower package. We call it our Flex Package. So this car can run on 93 or E85. Has our stage 2 camshaft in it, so drivability is actually phenomenal in this car. And as you can hear and see, it runs just as good. This car, I want to say on E85 put down somewhere between 730, 750 rear wheel horsepower and over 800 rear wheel torque. So this thing at the hit of the throttle just throws you back in the seat. So that was Neil's. We're gonna call that our 850 Flex package that just left. It came in already previously modded with headers and a small camshaft in it. It was smoking pretty good when it came in. He was real nervous about the motor being hurt. We ended up just changing the valve seals first, and that fixed the smoking issue. After that, then we proceeded to do our Flex fuel package with the low side fuel system, and the power gains were awesome. Thing made 660, I think, rear wheel horsepower on 93 octane, and with E85 it made over 730 rear wheel horsepower. That is a stock blower, not ported, and over 800 rear wheel torque. So that thing right there, I told him to be careful. Third gear, second gear, you stab it, 800 rear wheel torque instantly will light those tires up. So told him to keep traction control on, get used to doing third and fourth gear pulls. Then I think he's getting new wheels and tires on it, so he'll be back hopefully next week for us to get a awesome video of that thing ripping down out in Mexico. Customer just installed some BC forged wheels with a nice Toyo on the back of it. So I think for this next pull, I might try to do a second gear pull and see what it does. Clutch in it. It's very smooth. The clutch pedal itself feels like factory taken off. And he has a MGW shifter in it, which is also very smooth. It's not really notchy or anything like that, so like some of the other ones that we've done. And yeah, this car won't chop as much at idle compared to some of the other cars that we do with the larger camshafts. But again, depends on what your end goal is for this car. Determines what size cam we put in vehicles. So I usually speak with most customers before we build their packages to kind of get an idea of what their needs and goals are for the vehicle, and then we kind of custom spec almost every car we do when it comes to camshafts. Let's try second gear and see what happens. See if it hooks up. I'm going to traction control on. Tell me I did not feel good. Golly, that is sick. Corsa exhaust you definitely hear when we step in the throttle. Obviously with the long tube headers we have and the high flow cats, the Corsa exhaust sounds awesome, but normal cruising is not too loud. Like right now I'm in third gear, 20 miles an hour at 1200 RPMs accelerating. You have no cam surge, no bucking, smooth acceleration from 20 on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications for future videos, and comment below, let me know what y'all think about the drone footage we got. Let me know if y'all like it, if y'all want to see more of it. We'll bring you some more if y'all like it. Got it. Just for the loss of a battery, no big deal. Alright, so we just got out of this beautiful 2015 C7 Z06, making 850 horsepower on an E85, and it truly is a car we built to daily drive or take it to a road course and go beat on it for 20-minute sessions and legit have a blast. That thing with the Toyo on the back is enough horsepower to plant you in the seat and make you feel like you're going super fast, but also not uncontrollable where you think you're gonna put it in a ditch. That is, to me, the perfect street weekend toy for your average customer out there. I think McLovin agrees. Anyways, we'll end it here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the new footage. Hopefully we got some good footage of this baby flying around it. Until next time.
Oh, we know.